Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess. It is Saturday, November 14th, and I am kicking off another weekend vlog. I love doing these. 8:54 a.m. This is pretty early for me, so usually I'm still in bed at this point, but we got up early. We're trying to make the most of our day, have ourselves a morning. We are at the park right now. I'm sitting in my car, and I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on and just put together another video. So I'm going to make a video that's going to be using the iPhone 12 Pro. So if you haven't seen, I did a little unboxing. So I want to test out the camera on the iPhone 12 Pro, and I just want to see what kind of pictures I can get out of that camera. So I brought my makeup bag. So my boyfriend is at the park right now, and he is just putting together his own little creative video project. So I'm going to work on my own while he's doing that. Yeah, so that's why I'm putting my makeup on in the car, because I didn't know if I was going to do this or not, and now I've decided that I am. So, we don't have any, plans for today. It's cold. It is sunny out, though, which is nice, and I honestly, have no idea, what we might do today, but I do want to do something, because it is supposed to rain tomorrow. So I feel like with my weekends, during these times, there's really only so much you can do. So I mean, it's usually just the two of us, and we're going on a hike, or we're cooking something, or we're just grabbing food, and it's very casual, but I feel like we make the most of it. So I feel like I'm not even gonna put foundation on. I just do the concealer like this. So I'm just going to put the rest of the makeup on, and then be back. So I just put a little bit of makeup on, and I'm gonna go out and try to do the little photo shoot now. I'm gonna go do that, and then I will be back. I brought a flannel and then this cropped corduroy. I really like this. I got it on Poshmark, and it's from the brand Backbeat Rags or Backbeat Co. So I think I'm just gonna wear this, and I'm literally wearing sweats. So we're keeping it casual. It's a little chilly, but thank God there's sun. I took the photos, I played around with it. I'm just absolutely freezing. It's not even my body's cold, my hands and my feet are so cold. And he is still filming his little creative video over there. So I'm probably just gonna head over there, just see how they're doing. And then by the time we're all done with this, we'll probably just have lunch and then figure out what else we want to do for the day. I am just at this park right now. It's pretty casual. All bundled up now. So I just filmed the second part to the other video that I'm gonna make with testing the iPhone 12 Pro camera. So we just went to another park, and then I had him record some video and take some pictures of me. So hopefully everything all comes together well, but I'm excited. I think we got some nice little shots, but we're gonna get our little afternoon stroll in, and the fall foliage is popping, so I love it. And yeah. I am back again. I feel like I have not been vlogging much today, but honestly I haven't been doing too much. After we took that little hike, we kind of just chilled, we ate dinner, and we just baked brownies. So the Trader Joe's brownie, truffle brownie mix, and we made cookies out of the brownie mix, and they're so good. I've done it before. And then we just went to ShopRite and got some Ben & Jerry's. So we're having ourselves a night in, and I think we're gonna watch The Mandalorian. These look so good. So this is what we have to choose from. This is a new one. It's cinnamon. Chocolate ice cream sounds interesting. Half-baked, classic favorite. And then fish food, another classic favorite. I'm just gonna heat these up because I feel like they're so much better when it's warm. Good morning. It is Sunday, the next day. So I'm just gonna do 1 cup of oats, and everything's gonna be blended in the NutriBullet. Just gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm just gonna do a small pinch of salt. So I'm just gonna use 2 eggs. And I'm just gonna use 1 ripe banana. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm just gonna do a 1/4 cup of almond milk. And I'm just gonna do 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then I'm just gonna do 1 scoop of the Blessed chocolate coconut protein powder. This is my favorite. Now we're just gonna blend it all up. Once it is all done blending, it'll look like this, like a batter consistency. It literally smells like brownie batter almost. It's so good. So I was able to get 8 pancakes out of that recipe. So we're gonna dress these up with some peanut butter, fresh maple syrup, and fruit. And they smell so good. These look really good.